Hi everyone, I'm Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about a premium high-rise residential project located in Bangalore's rapidly growing Sarjapur corridor. The project is called Amberstone Ventara Residences located at Chembanahalli of Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. In today's video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Amberstone Ventara Residences is a premium high-rise residential development spread across approximately 8 acres of land parcel. The project features 4 thoughtfully designed ground plus 29 floors tower with a total of 456 premium residences. The project offers spacious 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK homes designed for modern urban living. From contemporary architecture and efficient layout to expansive open spaces and landscape green, every aspect of the development has been planned to enhance the overall living experience. Residents will also have access to a dedicated clubhouse, sports infrastructure, and a lifestyle-focused amenities, making it an ideal choice for families looking for a premium lifestyle in one of the Bangalore's fastest growing location. If you are looking for a home that offers both lifestyle benefits and long-term appreciation potential, then Amberstone Ventara Residences is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about one of the biggest advantage of this project, its location. Amberstone Ventara Residences is strategically located at Chembanahalli of Sarjapur Road, a corridor that has emerged as one of the Bangalore's strongest growth and investment zone. Wipro SEZ is approximately 15 minutes away, while RGA Tech Park can be reached in 20 minutes. Electronic City and Outer Ring Road are both in 25 minutes away. Whitefield is also 35 minutes away, and several reputed international schools and hospitals are accessible within 10 minutes. With a strong infrastructure growth and excellent connectivity to major employment hubs, Sarjapur Road continues to attract both home buyers and investors. Now coming to the amenities and lifestyle, so Amberstone Ventara Residences has been designed to offer a complete resort-style lifestyle experience. Residents can enjoy a grand clubhouse along with a swimming pool, kids pool for relaxation and recreation. For sports enthusiasts, the project features pickleball and volleyball court, and also nature lovers will appreciate the jogging and walking forest trail, mini forest with the native trees. Families also benefit from thoughtfully planned spaces such as kids play area, tree house, pet park, floral garden and rooftop leisure zone. Overall, the project focuses on creating a nature-inspired luxury lifestyle with a perfect balance of wellness, recreation, and community living. And now let's take a look at the available configuration and pricing. So the project offers 3 BHK premium starting with a carpet area of 1610 to 1644 square feet, and the starting price is 1.65 crore rupees onwards. If we talk about the 3.5 BHK premium residences, which is starting with a carpet area of 2094 square feet and the starting price is 2.12 crore rupees onwards. 4 BHK luxury apartment starting with a carpet area of 2674 square feet and the starting price is 2.69 crore rupees onwards. Talking about the possession timeline, so it is expected by April 2028. The residences feature smart layout, spacious balconies and premium specification designed to maximize comfort and functionality. So if you are looking for a premium home in Bangalore's Sarjapur Road corridor with excellent connectivity, lifestyle amenities and strong long-term investment potential, then Amberstone Ventara Residences is definitely a project you should explore. For brochure, pricing detail, payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.